Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the Z sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The Z sound always occurs at the beginning of the word. It could be spelled by the letter Z, like in the word dễ, or can be spelled by the combination of the letter G and E, like in the word gió. Now let's see how to pronounce the Z sound. First, tip of your tongue is placed between the upper and lower teeth, touches them, then release a stream of air between the ridge and the tip of your tongue with audible friction. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth slightly, stretch your lips a little bit. And the last thing you have to remember about the Z sound, that it is a voice sound, so you have to vibrate your vocal cords when saying the Z sound. Okay, now let's try to say the sound again. Z, Z, dễ, gió. Now let's try to say some words with the Z sound. I'm gonna say the word first, then you will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. The first word is ra, dao, do, dán, dám, danh, dân, dẫn, dâng, dậu, dấu, dùng, dương, dượng, dưới, ra, già, giả, giảng, giáo, giam, gió, giọng, giường, dạy dỗ, di dân, dễ dàng, dặn dò, dẫn dắt, dưỡng dục, duyên dáng, dinh dưỡng, giảng dạy, giáo dục, gia giáo. Okay, now let's try to say some sentences with many of the Z sound. I'm going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Okay. Danh, mua, dao, rọc, giấy. Now a little bit faster. Danh, mua, dao, rọc, giấy. With normal speed. Danh, mua, dao, rọc, giấy. Gì, dung, giảng, dạy, ở, khoa, dinh dưỡng. Now a little bit faster. Dì Dung giảng dạy ở khoa dinh dưỡng. Now with normal speed. Dì Dung giảng dạy ở khoa dinh dưỡng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.